Wait, what is that? Oh my god, the helicopter is coming right toward us. Okay, looks like it's going to land in the front of the building. Wait, where did it go? Whoops, it looked like it landed on the lower part. I have seen many helicopters fly around in the sky, but never in my life have I ever seen a helicopter land before, which to me is super interesting. Look closely. There's a ground crew on the left side wearing a yellow jacket. This is my first time seeing a helicopter land. There's a nice helicopter pad. Maybe I'll have it in my house one day. Who knows? Look at the buildings outside. We are at the Chicago University Medical Center. Who could be in that helicopter? Maybe someone famous like LeBron James or Taylor Swift. Or maybe like a patient from a fire or something. I don't know. Link it down in the comments. Make sure to smash that like button and hit the subscribe button below. See you next time on J&L Sparkle 2 and Learn Art with J&L.